Hey guys, welcome back to the English Talk Hub. I hope you all are having a beautiful, reflective day today. I am your host, Emma, and today we are going to explore a very deep and fascinating question. Joining me is my wonderful co-host, a man who has changed a lot over the years, mostly because he used to wear a backward baseball cap and think he was a cool rock star. Say hello, Daniel.
Hello, everyone. I am Daniel. And hey, Emma, that baseball cap was a classic look, okay? I was very cool. And to everyone listening, look at Emma over there, a woman who claims people change naturally, but she still uses the exact same pink teddy bear keychain on her bag since she was 10 years old.
Hey, my keychain brings me good luck, Daniel. That is called consistency, not staying stuck. But you are right. Change is an absolute certainty in life. And that brings us perfectly to our topic today. Why do people change?
It is a brilliant topic, Emma. As time moves forward, our minds, our habits, our tastes, and even our friendships can transform completely. Sometimes we change because we want to, and sometimes life forces us to change. Emma, let's start by introducing a fundamental vocabulary word for our beginner friends, change.
Excellent. Change can be a noun or a verb. As a verb, it means to become different or to make something or someone different.
For example, as people grow older, their opinions about life often change completely.
And another wonderful word related to this is growth. Growth is a noun. It means the process of developing or maturing physically, mentally, or emotionally. It's a very positive type of change.
For example, learning from your past mistakes is a sign of emotional growth.
Oh, learning from mistakes is the biggest teacher, Daniel. I remember 5 years ago, I used to say yes to every single request. I wanted everyone to like me. I spent all my energy helping other people and forgot about my own rest. But I changed. I learned to say no politely to protect my time. That was a huge personal growth for me.
Wow, Emma, that is a very powerful change. Setting boundaries takes a lot of strength. For me, I used to be incredibly impatient. If I had to wait in a long line at the supermarket, I would get angry and sigh loudly. But as I grew up, I realized that getting angry changes nothing. The line doesn't move faster just because I'm grumpy. So now I use that waiting time to breathe deeply or listen to an English podcast.
See, that is a fantastic shift in your mindset, Daniel. You changed a stressful situation into a productive one.
Exactly. It's all about how you choose to see the world. Let's look at another great vocabulary word, experience. We talk about this word often, but life experiences are the main reason why people change. Experience means the knowledge or skill gained from doing things or seeing things. For example, traveling to a foreign country was a life-changing experience for her. Let's ask our listeners a quick question right now. Everyone, look at your own life from 5 years ago. What is one big thing about you that has changed? Do you have a new hobby, a different job, or a more peaceful personality? Please write your answer in the comments below using very simple English.
Yes, please share your journey with us. Our comment section is a wonderful and encouraging place to learn together. Now, Daniel, let's look at a very useful grammar point that beginners need when they describe general facts or permanent truths about life and human nature. We use the present simple tense.
Yes, this is a core grammar rule. For example, time changes everything, or people adapt to new situations quickly.
Remember the rule for singular pronouns and nouns like he, she, it, or time. We must add an s or es to the verb.
Exactly. We say experience teaches wisdom, not experience teach wisdom.
Beginners often forget that small s sound for singular actions. So remember, guys, Emma speaks, Daniel laughs, life moves forward.
Keep that rule inside your mind.
That is a very important point, Emma. Thank you. Present simple is our best tool for sharing life lessons.
Perfect. If you're enjoying this deep conversation and learning these easy grammar tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the English Talk Hub channel. Your support motivates us immensely every single day.
Yes, please click that subscribe button right now. Now, Daniel, let's look at another interesting vocabulary word related to change, adapt.
Oh, to adapt is a beautiful action verb, Emma. It means to change your behavior or your ideas so that you can deal successfully with a new situation or a new environment.
For example, when you move to a new city, it takes some time to adapt to the local culture.
Another common word related to this topic is mature. Mature can be a verb or an adjective. As an adjective, it describes someone who behaves in a sensible, adult way because they understand life better.
For example, he became much more mature after he started taking care of his younger brother.
Let's check the pronunciation of the word change. Listen carefully. Change. It starts with a strong ch sound, like the word chair or chocolate, and ends with a soft j sound, change.
Change. Brilliant. Now, let's talk about why some people don't want to change. Change can be terrifying because it takes us away from our comfort zone.
Oh, the comfort zone is a fantastic English phrase, Emma. It means a place, a situation, or a habit where you feel safe, comfortable, and experiencing zero stress or risk. But nothing new grows there.
Exactly. For example, to learn how to speak English fluently, you must step out of your comfort zone and speak to strangers.
Yes, standing inside your comfort zone means you never change or improve. Stepping out takes courage, but it's highly rewarding.
Let's look at another grammar point about past changes. When we talk about how we used to be in the past compared to now, we can use the past simple tense or the phrase used to.
Yes, let's review regular versus irregular verbs for past actions. For regular verbs, we add ed. For example, realize becomes realized. Yesterday, Daniel realized that his old behavior was immature. But the verb become is irregular. The past tense of become is became, B-E-C-A-M-E. For example, after traveling around the world, she became a much more open-minded person.
Another irregular verb is grow. The past tense is grew, G-R-E-W. The children grew up very fast in that small town.
Beginners often write becomed or grown. Remember, friends, these are incorrect because these verbs are irregular. Became and grew are the correct past forms.
Please write them down in your vocabulary notebook, stars. They are highly useful for telling stories about your personal evolution.
Daniel, what do you think is a negative type of change? Can people sometimes change for the worse?
Yes, unfortunately, that can happen, Emma. Sometimes due to too much stress, bad company, or deep disappointment, a kind person can become bitter or distant. Bitter means feeling angry and unhappy because you feel life has treated you unfairly.
That's sad, Daniel, but a good friend can help a bitter person smile again. We should always try to surround ourselves with positive people who inspire us to change for the better.
I agree completely, Emma. A true friend supports your positive transformation.
Let's look at one final grammar point before we finish today's powerful episode. Let's talk about the word should for giving friendly advice about embracing change.
Ah, yes. Should is a modal verb. For example, we should not be afraid of change because change brings new opportunities.
Remember the grammar rule, friends. After the word should, we always use the base form of the verb without adding to and without adding ing. We say, you should embrace, not you should to embrace, or you should embracing.
That is a very golden rule for our beginner learners. Keep the verb simple and clean after should.
Perfect. Listeners, here's our final engagement question for today's episode. Is there a big goal or a change you want to make in your life next month? Are you going to start exercising, reading more, or practicing English every day? Write your answer in simple English in the comments below.
We're so excited to read your responses and see the amazing goals you're setting for your future.
Well, everyone, talking about why people change today was absolutely wonderful, deep, and super fun. Thank you for making fun of my rock star baseball cap, Emma.
You're welcome, Daniel. Thank you for accepting my pink teddy bear keychain. I enjoyed our conversation today a lot.
Me too, Emma. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in to the English Talk Hub today. Keep growing, don't fear the future, and keep practicing your English step by step.
See you in the next episode with another exciting and fun topic. Catch you later.
Stay calm, stay positive, and keep speaking English.